idea of the Anthropocene, that human beings are now the greatest force on the planet, is a difficult one to grasp. You know, historically, people in the West have positioned ourselves as radically separate from and superior to the non-human. And that plays out in a story that we tell ourselves that we have a right to dominate animals and the environment. The results of this way of understanding and organising the world are made viscerally present in terrible technicolor in this film, Anthropocene. So you see massive mines that have terraformed or completely reshaped landscapes, garbage tips as big as cities, piles of what we call ivory, but the elephants and the families of elephants no longer present in those landscapes. My research on multi-species justice makes clear that, contrary to this story of absolute separation that we've told, humans are deeply entangled with the non-human world. And my research also shows that the benefits of this type of exploitative relationship with the planet are not evenly spread across humanity. So I was struck watching the film not only by the suffering and the exploitation of the planet, but by the suffering and exploitation of human beings whose lives are, like animals and the planet, relegated to being tool or resource for the benefit of others. And as I was watching Anthropocene, I found myself asking myself again and again, who's benefiting from this? The story that Anthropocene tells, though, is not all bad. It perhaps suggests rather than tells another transformative story. It's a scene in the film where you see people face to face with the products of our destructive relationship with the non-human, and those human beings are in a position where they could benefit from that exploitation, but instead they choose to turn away. It's as if they see the possibility of a different type of relationship with the environment and with animals. It's as if they see the possibility that this beautiful idea of justice that has motivated the very best in human societies could be expanded to become multi-species justice. The importance of multi-species justice for the survival of humanity and the survival of the planet is why I've made it my research focus, and it's why the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences has selected it as one of our key research areas.